Yo, 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 yo. Alright, hopefully that sounds good. What's up, everybody? Starts now, man. Hold on, let me switch songs. This song's alright, but let's put on Vision. This song's dope. Alright. We're gonna play with some tweaks and talk about jailbreaks and all that good stuff. A lot of people have been asking me many questions about this setup, so I figured I would live stream. If you guys are curious about the wallpaper, first link in the description, check it out. Taking your exam, oh no. Any jailbreak questions? If you're wondering if there is a jailbreak out for your device, check out the link in the description. Above it, it says jailbreak updates. There is no iOS 14.4 through 14.4.2 jailbreak available for newer devices. Like I said, check out the link in the description. My newest video is accurate. But yeah, we're gonna mess with some tweaks and make this setup. I mean, this setup is pretty fire, honestly, so far. Like it just looks good, right? Pretty good. How does music sound? Hopefully it's not too crazy loud. I feel like my last stream, it was a little quiet, so hopefully it sounds good. The scroll bar tweak's pretty sick, isn't it? It's like all RGB looking, right? It is, I forget. Somewhere in here. Magical scroll bars. Settings wallpaper, first link in the description, available there. Kenny's Twitter. He has this Dropbox link, and you can find these wallpapers there. They're pretty sweet. But yeah, magical scroll bars is what makes the scroll bar look like how you see it there. And it just kind of fades in between the two colors you pick. Pretty cool tweak, simple. Do I know when there's going to be a jailbreak? Nobody ever knows. But I might have a bit of a heads up, so just don't miss out on the jailbreak update videos. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, nobody really knows. Ever in history of jailbreaking. I mean, there's been like little things like Uncover one year did a countdown to the jailbreak. Like all of a sudden on the website it said jailbreak releasing in like 4 hours or something like that. That's about the only heads up you'll ever see. Yeah, like literally like 4 hours before release they did a countdown. That was the most advanced like knowledge we've ever had of a jailbreak being released ever in history, I think. I mean, you'll hear about them like sometimes like, oh, this dev team is creating one and they're going to release it, but they usually do not ever tell when it's going to be. Yep. All right. So chat UI is freaking cool. I think I want to mess around with this a little bit, maybe. I mean, it looks good the way I have it. It's already color matched to the theme and everything, but... Oh, and check out... Yeah. Tweaked out, man. You've been waiting for a jailbreak since 13.5.1. You need to save your blobs. You could have been on 14. You could have done the delayed 90 day as well. You could have updated to 14.3. Yeah, what's up, Bill? Yo, welcome, man. Yeah, the mock-up's pretty clean. Yeah, if you need one, just let me know. I'll send one over to you. Pretty easy to use with OBS. But yeah, we're going to play with some tweaks, because that's what I do. Yeah, the 90-day delay is pretty clever. And it'll more than likely be available again when, or if 14.4.2 receives a jailbreak. But yeah, the 90-day delay is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. The difference between Alt Daemon and Reprovision. Well, one, Alt Daemon is just a add-on for Alt Store. But essentially, they do kind of the same thing. It's just so you can re-sign your apps with your own Apple ID. Do I even have... Yeah, I got Alt Store. I don't know. I like using Alt Store. That's just my preference. It's more modern. I'm all about the more modern stuff. Jailbreak for 14.4.2 be released? Nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. Probably someday. It could be released tomorrow, or it could be released in 2 months. So what's up, Bill? I hope you're having a great day. Early. I usually do these earlier. 10 in the morning. Early streams. Just kind of works with my schedule. Yo, what's up, Wayne? Yeah, Alt Daemon is free. Alt Store is free. The theme is called Vibrant. I don't believe it's available anymore. I might be wrong. But it's by Bulldog on Twitter. But I'm not sure if he's selling it anymore. So you gotta capitalize on opportunities when they arise. Alright, let's mess with some tweaks. So, oh, have you guys ever seen Maple? This tweak is cool. Hopefully I can capture it. So, I'm afraid to unplug. Oh, I think if I do a respring, it'll do it. Yeah, we'll respring. Maple's really cool looking. Let's see if it shows it. Wait for it. Is it gonna do it? No. It doesn't do it. I'm afraid to unplug and replug it in because QuickTime acts a fool sometimes. Yeah, Wayne is right. Bulldog did go private, so unfortunately this theme is no longer for sale. I'm pretty sure, but I mean, you can follow his account on Twitter and see if you can get it. LibHooker Pro release date? I don't know. But yeah, I wish I could show Maple. I wonder if do I dare unplug and plug it back in? We'll try it. This is where I screw everything up. Does it just turn back on? Come on, show me. Weird. It doesn't work. I'll do a video on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Do a respring. Yeah, it's on QuickTime. Alright. So chat UI is amazing. You can literally change the color of everything in your Messages app. I think it's free too, I believe. Boxy 4. Boxy 4 is pretty good, I would say. Pretty freaking sweet, right? Just an FYI. Boxy 4 dev is in the chat, guys. That's Bill. He made this tweak. He's an awesome dude. Check out his Twitch. Check out his Twitter. Plug. But yeah, okay, so Messages. Yeah, Orion is honestly amazing. So it looks good as is, but I'm wondering if I change the incoming bubbles color as well, so it's not boring gray. But this looks cool like this though. But let's play with a tweak, right? Now where is incoming? Okay. Now what color do I want it to be? I feel like, I don't know, blue might be kind of weird. What if we do it like the same colors but the opposite direction in gradient? That might be kind of neat, right? Oh, my settings is going to do the like non-multitasking thing. That's going to drive me nuts. Don't know why it does that. Atreya tweak? I've seen it. I haven't touched it yet though. I just haven't had a need because I got Boxy. And Boxy's pretty cool too. You can move your page dots anywhere you want, which is pretty sweet if you ask me, right? Okay, do I preset these? So I think let's turn that up. Like a blue. Two. Turn that up. Now, what was that hex code? I had it memorized too for this setup. That's bad. When you're doing a setup and then you remember a hex code for a certain color. Which was the security tweak developed by a YouTuber? I have no idea. Never heard of it. Hey, what's up, Kenny? Got you plugged, dude. Check out the top of the description. What am I hearing? Sound like someone was like freaking breaking into my house. Probably just my neighbor. Yo, what's up, iDevice/? A jailbreak setup video? I mean, I could. It's been a while since I've done some of those. It's a good idea. Oh, and for those of you that are setup enthusiasts that like to create a whole jailbreak setup, check out Kenny's Twitter. He's one of the best setup creators I've seen. So if you guys are into like crazy setups, like every little element, precision, check out Kenny. Twitter link in the description. Okay, dark configuration. Where am I at? I'm losing track. Now this is very gross. Do I want to do it like a purpley? Wonder what that would look like. It's kind of cool. I need like I need a longer message bubble on the left side. It should come back. There it is. Okay, cool. It's kind of neat looking. So close to 14.4 jailbreak. There's no evidence of a jailbreak being worked on. The only thing that happened is 14.4.2 stopped being signed. So it doesn't necessarily mean we're close. We're closer than we were when it was being signed, but it could be 2 months, it could be tomorrow, it could be at any point. So I wouldn't really say it's like almost there, because that kind of like tells people that, hey, someone's working on it, they're about to release it. So I wouldn't really say that. Jailbreak 14.5. You never know, there could be a rogue dev team that just suddenly drops one. That's the beauty of it. Like, bam, there's a new jailbreak. But this looks pretty cool. Let's try to... I'm not a fan of, like, the pure black header and, like, the part above my... or, like, where my messages are. So let's see if we can't find those settings. Dark... Conversation list, chat background, navigation bar, bingo bango. So we want to like see like not pitch black. See what that looks like. There we go. Top looks a little bit better. Now we need to find the keyboard part. And I hate how this isn't multitasking. I don't know why it does that. The struggle. So now where is that part of like the keyboard? Chat entry fill, not that. Chat app drawer background. Compose background color. I believe that's what that would be. That's not pure black though. Let's just turn it up to a brighter gray and then we can see what it affects and adjust it from there, right? Yeah, it wasn't that. What is it? Yeah, checkering can forever do the newest versions. All you need to wait for is the checkering team to update it, and they can update it to every single newer iOS. So to me, iPhone 10 is like a legendary device. Like, This guy is a legend. A jailbreak legend. My 7 Plus is jailbroken on 14.6 beta. Don't recommend it. Don't jailbreak betas. But it's possible. Uh-oh, why is my stream buffering? Why are we buffering? A little bit of a hiccup there? Weird. Maybe that was just on my end. Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my previous video called The Story of Slock, check that out. Cool video. And, yeah. Okay. Now to figure out what the heck is conversation list. That's not that. Chat background, not. Navigation bar, not. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe you can't adjust it. Chat entry field. Like, I feel like that might, like, what is that? Let's just make it like silly bright and see. Okay, so that's that. Right. Okay. So like literally where you click to start typing. Now to find it. Chat entry fill. We want to keep that down. Chat entry fill, chat entry border. What is, oh, I'm stupid. I can just look right here at the hex code. FA4952. I had that one memorized. FA4952. So, like, I wonder, you can just, up in the upper right. It was FA4952. Set. Bam. Bam. Okay. Heh, kind of cool. Almost like the gray a little bit better, I think. Faint UI? Faint UI is cool. Oh yeah, yeah. The shadow issue. I fell asleep last night. After freaking bit bombing your stream, I crashed. Yeah, hopefully you can get the shadow thing figured out. I don't know nothing about Objective-C or any of that stuff. So it's pretty impressive to me to watch it. Alright, let's convert this back to the gray because I think that the gray looks better. It was probably around that ish. Enable field background blur. Chat entry field background. Like, what if I turn that off? Is that it? Alright, crash it. Yeah, there it is. Oh wait, no. Why does it come back? So down... Wait, huh? Okay, so it's gray here, but as soon as I click it, it turns black. That's very weird. I don't understand. Maybe that's just a bug. Maybe it's not changeable. I don't know. I'm not too sure. Because I feel like that should be at chat entry background color, but it doesn't stay that color. Maybe it needs a respring. Let's try that. Oh, I gotta show you guys a tweak that I found this morning. It's gonna be like a lifesaver tweak, at least for me. Okay, does respringing fix? So it's gray now, but then it turns black. I don't know. I mean, I don't know, it bugs me. And then it stays black. That's pretty weird. Huh. I don't know. This keyboard tweak's pretty cool though. Except for the paste board, like, doesn't work. There's nothing there. But it looks cool. Emojis. Forgot what tweak that was. Key plus. Yeah. Pretty cool. It's like a DocX alternative or emoji bar alternative. It like combines those tweaks. It's pretty neat. Alright, so this tweak, let me look it up for you guys. It allows you to do a forced respring with hardware buttons, which is super useful if your phone freezes. If I can figure out what it is. Installed hard respring, this tweak right here. It's pretty cool how it operates too. So if you read it here in the description, so you hold the side button, and then you, while holding that side button, you click the volume down and then the volume up, and then it resprings your device like this. Bam. Just by using your buttons. So yeah, that came out like this morning, I think, or sometime while I was sleeping. Confetti theme looks pretty cool. I checked this out earlier too. This theme looks pretty sweet. So like if we view it, those icons are pretty neat looking. I do vape, yep. Confetti. That looks pretty freaking cool though. Chat UI. What else do we want to mess with? Delete, cut. Oh, Pro keys, if anyone's wondering. So this is pretty cool. It adds haptics and animations to your keyboard. So like if you go into physical, so that's the haptics, and then animations, like you can do a bunch of cool stuff. Like there's firework. Right? It's cool looking. Look at that. Huh. So that's the firework. Animations, bubbles. Hope to see more animations added to this tweak because I think it's really cool. Does my battery go down a lot? Here, let's check how it's been doing. Not really. So with all the tweaks I have, This is my I mean, there's like, you see discharge increases, but that's just how drain operates. Now, if I stream long enough, you guys will see a huge spike though, because I'm doing a lot of stuff on my phone. So respringing it and making edits to tweaks and all that stuff can affect it. But with the current tweaks that I have, I don't really notice any difference in the battery. Plus, I mean, I have a larger battery in this 10S Max. It's brand new. And as you can see at the health, right in the middle of the screen, health, my battery is at 104% because I put a larger battery in it. I'm surprised it's already gone down to 104. I've only had it for a month and it's gone down 1% already, but it was only like $70 to replace it. So in like 2 years that this phone is like battery's crap again, I'll just replace it. It's cheap enough, I think. Oh, I need to, yo, Kenny, have you seen, if you're still in here, have you seen this? Check this out, hold up. Shortcuts. And then snapshot. And then save. And this one is vibrant. Done. All right. Okay, so I just saved my entire jailbreak setup, right? So let's go back into shortcuts. This is one of the handiest things I've ever had. Switch by name. Vibrant is there. Let's switch the setup to Leto Dark. Check this out. So freaking cool. That's pretty cool. So then, puts those there. That's okay. So shortcuts, snapshot. I did a video on this. If you guys are curious about it, switch by name. Glitch. You guys know me in shortcuts. I guess all I changed in this one was the wallpaper. But that's an epic shortcut made by Tito. Snapshot. So now, if I want to, I can just go right back to Vibrant. So this is like one of the coolest things to me at least, for anyone that's into doing custom jailbreak setups. Like, that's gonna benefit me if I decide to do like a best jailbreak setups video. The only thing I wish is if there was somehow to like share it, like share your property lists with somebody and then just make sure you have all the same tweaks and then use somebody else's setup. I should talk to Tito about that. That would be next level, right? Like being able to share your entire jailbreak setup with somebody and then they can, I don't know. That would be freaking cool though. I'm sure it's possible somehow. Tweaks for the dock. I'm assuming you meant the previous setup. That was with Spring to Mise 5, and it was a Leto theme dock. Yeah, I don't know if I would sell it though, because you're just selling settings pretty much. If you guys want the latest jailbreak information, check out my jailbreak updates playlist in the description. The last video is the most up-to-date information. And as far as do I know when it's going to be jailbreakable, I don't. Or when the jailbreaks will be updated, I don't. Nobody knows. All right, what should we do? Hey, Sean released a new theme, and is it free? That's pretty cool looking if you guys are into like a coffee looking theme. I feel like I should run this theme if I'm about to go to like Starbucks and chill there. I like the brown themes like that though. Animatoon Pro was updated. I wonder if it works. Let's try it. If it works, rip battery. Hey, welcome, Spence. No. I don't know if it's conflicting with something or what, but I think I've tried this a few times already. Does it need to be for dark mode too? Does that need to be enabled for it to work? Maybe. Let's try that. You never know. Hello, hello, what's up guys? Welcome. Nope, nothing. Dang it. I don't know. Not sure. But does like yeah, that's on. Let me try to disable snowboard quick to see. Whoops. Cool. See what that does. No. No animations. Bummer. I have no idea when a jailbreak will come out. Nobody does. All right. What else is going on in Zebra? Animate settings icon. So a hard respring is really cool. I feel like I'll probably use that more than once in my time. Files a compiler. What are you? Lock Plus Pro? Yeah. Lock Plus Pro is freaking amazing. Can you change the version on Pojov Launcher? Meaning your Minecraft version? You can. You can run, like, older versions. It doesn't go back to, like, 1.12 though, so anything newer than that. And that goes for vanilla or what's it called? Forge. What do I think is the best? Well, it's hard to compare them because they do offer different settings. Like, I keep Springtomize 5 because I can do cover flow dock effects, and I can't do that with the other ones. So it's really hard to compare those three tweaks. But I would probably say that Orion has the most customization out of all of them. But again, like I said, there's things with Orion that that I can't do that I can do with Springtomize 5. And I'm sure that's the same thing for links as well. I'm sure there's certain things that you can do with links that you can't do with the other two. What's the tweak called that's tweak compatible but for Cilio? I'm not sure. libhooker configurator is pretty cool though, if you guys have never seen this. So this is another reason why I like to run the Taurine jailbreak, is because I like libhooker. And you have tweak compatibility, you have default configuration, you have process configuration for the Springboard applications and the daemons. So like if I go into Springboard, I can override the configuration and adjust everything accordingly. It's kind of like choicey, but not, because if you go into tweak compatibility, you can have it use like libhooker or substrate. I haven't done a video on this, I really should. But you can configure all your tweaks, which is freaking cool. So if you want to shut all the tweaks off in a certain app, you can do that. I don't think it's not going to allow you to bypass though. So like Snapchat, if you turn all the tweaks off, Snapchat is still going to recognize you're jailbroken. But libhooker Pro, when it comes out, is going to allow you to basically bypass any jailbreak detection. And from what I understand is basically it like emulates the app or something like that. So the app is being emulated. I don't know how it works like code wise, but it sounds cool. I'm excited for tonight's 5 o'clock upload. Might have something to do with this. How good does that look, right? Freaking hot. Oh, like a long screenshot? I don't think so. Not for iOS 14 at least. There used to be one. But I know there's an app that people use. I feel like I might have it on my 12 Pro Max, because sometimes I see things and I just download it and then I forget about it. Let me see if I can't find it. I probably have it on my 12 Pro Max. It's an app from the App Store that allows you to stitch screenshots together to make like a really like long screenshot. At least I thought I downloaded it. Maybe I didn't. I might not have it on here. I need to do what's on my iPhone again too sometime. Especially on this iOS 14 12 Pro Max. I have more apps than I've ever had. It's like ridiculous. Yes. Doing a reboot will take you out of the jailbroken state. That's how jailbreaks have been since iOS 10. It's because the jailbreaks are no longer untethered. They're semi-untethered. And then checkrain is semi-tethered. Basically, that means that when you reboot, it takes you out of the jailbroken state because the jailbreaks are not persistent like they used to be back in the day. That's why it drives me nuts on the scam tubers, seeing all the frickin' videos saying untethered jailbreak. There hasn't been an untethered jailbreak in like 6 years. We probably won't ever see one, but you never know. .5 emoji? I probably do know. It is this tweak here. Right? Okay. And not yet tested on iOS 3. So that's for Beta font. Emoji font. No. Which one is so that iThemer, anemone, snowboard. Which one is it? It's like 8 million of these. There we go. And I now have, do I need to have, so I must have to have those first. It's a dependency. Weird. Let's see if it works. Okay. And emoji font manager. Okay. Right, we're good. Okay. So search emoji. The bottom one. Now, will it allow me? Yeah, because now I have the dependent tweak. And voila, my iPhone now has emoji for 14.5. Emoji font manager is pretty cool. There's other cool emojis that you can get. I've covered this in previous videos. So if we do, like, I like Joy Pixels. I think they look really cool. Probably the bottom one. Yep. So let's install this one. Wallpaper link is it's the first link in the description. It's to Kenny's Twitter. His Dropbox link is on his Twitter, and you can find the wallpapers there. He makes some pretty cool dark wallpapers. Alrighty. So if we go to emojis, we now have the iOS 14.5 emojis in here. And we have Joy Pixel. So if we go to Emoji Font Manager and click on Joy Pixels, select it, and bam. These ones look really cool. Xenon? Yeah, I did a review of that tweak. Right at the bottom. Pretty cool tweak. See, I don't know why my settings doesn't multitask. Isn't that weird? Like, let's go in here, and then I exit, and then bam, I'm back at the beginning. Weird. Well, hope you come back after you download it. Alright. Let's check out some more stuff here. See how good Zebra looks and how well it operates? So good. But Cilio is getting improved, so it's getting better. What is Safari tabs? I don't even use Safari. Why am I looking at that? I use Chrome. Viper, what is this? Whoa, that's kind of cool looking. I don't know if I want it on the home screen though. An app drawer? What? Huh? Don't need an app drawer, we got an app library. I wonder if I install this, if it's gonna break my phone. Let's try it. I'm curious as to what's gonna happen. Can you downgrade? The only downgrading you can do is from 14.5.1 to 14.5 currently. Oh yeah. Crashed. Hey, big shout for the tweet. RIP. I knew that was gonna happen. That's why we do one tweak at a time, like I've said 8 million times. Because now we know what the problem is right there. So that's something I'd have to play around with less tweaks on my iPhone. Lock Plus Pro just got its own app. I seen there was an update for it. I don't think I have an app for it though. Let me look at it. Do you have like a beta version or something? Because I don't think I have an app for it. No. Whoops. No. Maybe it's in its settings. That looks the same. Maybe you're in June's iPhone's Discord, Patreon, and you have access to. I've seen it's getting updates. I haven't done any beta testing on it though. But looks like June is doing some cool stuff to it. What is a repo? It's a repository that contains deb packages, tweaks and themes, Debian packages. It's like a zip, kinda. It's like a zip with instructions, if you're curious how it works. And I will be right back. Bathroom break.
Find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. This is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call
April's cool. That's how I made the custom background for settings. Cool tweak. Simple tweak.
You can have it all. Watch me rip it off. I'll admit it. You got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller. Always been a baller.
I need to update first to lock. There is no update. Unless it's like not showing in Zebra for some reason. I can check Cilio. Oh. Oh, there is an update. So Zebra's being weird. Alright, cool. Hopefully I'm still logged in. Yeah, I am. Big shout. See, Zebra's a little weird. Sometimes it just doesn't act right. But 99% of the time it's good. Okay, let's see this new app. Wait, what? Alright, is it an option in settings, maybe? I don't have an Alloc Plus app. Not sure. I'm not sure. How do I make Zebra look clean like that? Clean tabs, Reva UI, coloration, and I think that's all I got. No separators. I think that's all the tweaks that make it look like how I have it. Nice collar. This is new. Is it gonna load? To put app in center? I'm not sure what you mean. So I still don't have a Lock Plus Pro app. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think there's any. Nobody knows, Pet. I'm not sure what you mean by App Center. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people with A font issues. I don't know why it works for me. You could use Snowboard font extension. I think I have it on here. Maybe not. Oh, I do. Yeah. Right there. It's not as customizable as A font, but it's still pretty cool. Yo, what's up? This trick is cool. Crap, what's it called? I forget the name of it. Let me look it up quick. I have it somewhere in here. I think. Oh, I remember. Neo? Oh, I have my font enabled. It looks weird. Dang it. Let's try that again, but with a font disabled. People are actually asking me this because I had it in the thumbnail. They're like, how did you do that? This is how. Neo fetch. Cool. No real function. It just tells you your iOS, which phone it is, your kernel. My uptime is 8 days. Packages, 527. The shell, terminal, CPU, GPU. Oh, this reminds me, actually, speaking of CPU and GPU and stuff like that, this is another tweak that I found I thought was really cool. So if we go to General, I don't know why it doesn't show how much memory I'm using here, but if I go into General, look, there's About, there's Hardware, and then there's Software Update at the top. So I can view the hardware of my iPhone. I thought that was a cool tweak. Pretty cool. You can view like your CPU, like what your processor is, what your, you know, L1 cache, your L1 data, L2. A lot of cool stuff. And I'll look it up so you guys know what it's called. Let me go to by date. Hardware specs right here. Kind of a cool little tweak to view your iPhone specs. Yeah, you need Neo Fetch to get Neo Fetch. I'll show you. See if I can find it. I'll just search it. Right there. That's Neo Fetch. Is Cilio better than Cydia? Well, if you're going to compare those two, I think so. I think Cilio is better. I don't really use either. I use Zebra. I think Zebra is better than both of them. I think Zebra is better than Installer as well. But the reason I like Cilio is because the jailbreak is Touring. And I like Touring better than Uncover currently. Just because of the... what's a good way to put it? Like, the foundation of the jailbreak. So, the bootstrap it uses, the way the tweaks are managed, like low-level technical stuff, I guess you could call it. Touring uses libhooker, and I really like libhooker. And like I said, it uses a different bootstrap. It's called Procursus. And the reason why I like that is because it's open source. So there's actually a lot of people that contribute to its code, meaning a bunch of people work on it. And to me, it's just, I like that because with the Uncover jailbreak and Substitute and then Elucibratus, those are maintained like kind of behind closed doors, and there's like one guy that works on them, maybe a couple more. But I just like the idea of open source jailbreak stuff so that everyone can see the code and everyone can contribute if they know what they're doing. I think that idea is powerful. So that's why I like Touring. Like I said, it's personal preference. So if you like Uncover and Cydia better, then that's the best jailbreak for you. That's what you like better. I'm not here to tell anybody what they should like. It's up to you to figure out. This song's weird. Hold on, let me skip this. That was a really weird song. Oh, this song's fire. I've heard this song before. A complete walkthrough of what? A free alternative to Boxy? Yeah, it's just one of them. There's a tweak that's like that just released. I have not used it yet, but it is this tweak right here. Nobody knows when a jailbreak is coming. How to jailbreak 14.4.2? Well, you can only jailbreak 14.4.2 if you have an iPhone 10 or older. If you have a newer iPhone, there is no jailbreak right now. Nah, he's not slacking. He's just stepping away. Bulldog is an amazing icon maker. That's why I rock his theme so much. When you have icons like this that make a lot of people go crazy to try and get them, I don't think that they're slacking at all. He's just elusive. He's hard to get a hold of. His themes are hard to get, and that makes it, I think, more valuable to have the theme. To have a theme that, you know, nobody can get, kind of, is pretty cool, actually. Kind of like you get it while it's there, and then afterwards, you know, you can show it off, and everyone's like, how the hell do I get it? And you're like, well, unfortunately, you can't. Exclusive. Yeah, he's really hard to get a hold of. It took me a year, 1 full year, to get a hold of Bulldog to buy his themes. An entire year. And that's why I feature them so much. All right, let's mess with something. Should I like do a different setup since this one's saved and pretty cool looking? What else do I have in shortcuts? This song is lit. What is my original Leto setup? Any jailbreak for iPad OS 14.4.2? No. Hey, thanks, Don. Daily uploads, man. The whole year. Oh yeah, this setup's cool looking, right? It's crazy looking. Leto. The Steve Jobs clock. It's Leto. If you're trying to get the shortcut to work, just I did a video on it. Check that video out. What did I jailbreak my iPhone with? iOS 14.3. If you're on 14.4 or newer, The only jailbreak there is check rain for iPhone 10 and older. Can you jailbreak iPod 6? I honestly don't know. What chip does it have in it? What processor chip? Then I'll tell you if you can jailbreak it. Also, what version of iOS is it on? This all matters. Not sure why it puts all this stuff. Oh, this tweak is cool. I forgot to show you guys this. We'll play around with this in a minute. This tweak is awesome. Like, super awesome. I need to do a video on this. There's so many things I need to do videos on. Like, I feel like there's so many tweaks I need to cover. I shouldn't live stream too long, so I have time to do some videos. But, okay. So this is latest theme creator. It is paid, but you can create your own keyboard theme with it. I wish there was a little bit better instructions with it, so hopefully the developer updates it. But what you can do is, if we go into settings here, go to tweaks, go to latest, and we enable this. And let me shut off pro keys because it usually is a little weird. All right, I gotta respring it. I'll show you guys here in a second though. The icons I'm using on this setup it's called Leto, L3TO. Okay. So latest tweak allows you to customize your keyboard, right? I have some themes, but with the latest creator, you can make your own through HTML. So these are ones I've just been messing with. That's why they have random names and test and all that. Let's see which one this is. So, like I said, I'm just playing around with it. This is really boxed up looking, but you can add corner radiuses and stuff like that. But so, background color, you got to put in, or here, you can use the RGB favorites. So, we'll do like that, and then key background color. So, for example, I guess I'll do the pink. I'll just do one for example so you guys can see. Action key background color. We'll do that purple color. And then you have a border width. See, this is where it gets weird, is border width. And then you have a rounded corner radius, but like, what do you even put here? Like, what number? There's no, like, direction. So I don't know. I guess let's see what 20 looks like. And then border width, I don't know, 2. I'm just, like, guessing numbers, really, but I don't know. Let's just do black so we can see what it looks like. And then create theme. And then I'll just name it stream so I know which one it is. Done. Okay. Now when we go back into settings and go to latest, select, and there's stream. Now, oh, it didn't. I think I have to respring. Let me respring. A tweak to respring? Yeah, I think there's like a million ways you can respring. Like, I'll use my buttons to respring. Watch this. So, power button, volume down, volume up. I didn't even have to go in or do anything. I just used my buttons. Okay, keyboard. See? Check that out. I just made that. How cool is that? You can make your own keyboard. but 20 looks a little weird. So maybe this is something I will, in a review video, I'll kind of give you an idea of what values you should put in. But let's just make another one for funsies. So main background color, let's do it as black. And then main background color of the keyboard. Oh wait, background color of the keys. So let's do red. Sure. And background color of action keys. How about orange? Right there. And then border width, let's do it 5. Border color, yellow. Corner radius, so I did 20. 20 is a little too much, so 15. Let's see what 15 looks like. And then create theme, stream 2. Done, okay? Settings, tweaks, latest, stream. Oh, why is there no stream 2? Did I mess it up? I'll try and respring. Okay, is that theme gonna be there now? Maybe I goofed something up. Latest. Oh, there's no stream 2. I did something wrong. Maybe, oh, I thought, yeah, I think there's something weird where you can't have spaces or something like that. So let's just do this over. Key background, red, action key, orange, border width, 15, border color, yellow, rounded corner radius, oh wait, border width is what I want this to be like, I don't know, 5? And then create, no spaces, so let's just do it like this. Okay. Latest. There it is. Whoa, crazy looking. That's a better corner radius though. Way too thick of borders, but yeah, it lets you create your own keyboard. I need to do a video on that. That's cool. To theme the dock. I mean, themes themselves come with docks. Like, here, we'll go into my, like, you can find just docks, but like Leto comes with docks. A lot of themes come with their own docks. Like, look at all the different docks that it comes with. This is the theme I'm using, if you guys are wondering. Currently. But yeah, latest theme creator. That tweak is cool, so. Haven't used it to its full potential yet, just because I haven't really played with it too much. But that'll let you really make your keyboard look custom for a certain setup or something like that, you know? Hello, hello. So yeah, latest. Apparently this app will let you frickin' SSH into your phone. I'll figure that out someday. What else? Let's go back into Zebra. Let's see what's up in here. What's this? The widget pack for $2? Oh, that's pretty cool. An iPod widget. Whoop. What's this? Hello, James. It's not loading. Come on, Zebra. Okay. Oh, not Space UI. Where was that theme? Right here. Oh, Twict. I know Twict is having issues. That poor repo, man. That poor repo is always having issues, I feel like. They were like shut down for a month. Now they're having issues again today. Thought I had this installed. Weird. The date and time, like on my home screen. If you guys are ever having jailbreak issues or jailbreak related problems, get the Discord app from the App Store. It's free. Make a Discord account. Go into Discord. And get on the Reddit jailbreak Discord. If you guys have jailbreak issues, this is a really good place to ask people. It's super active. There's a ton of members. So jailbreaking issues, that's what I recommend for you guys. The R Jailbreak Discord. As you can see, it's pretty active. They have a couple of members, like 47,200. Status bar is... which theme is that? Let me look. Forget the name of it. I think it's like Waffle or something like that. I will find it, don't worry. Yeah, Waffle status bar. But that's just the icons in the upper right. The time and the date is modified with the Orion tweak. But yeah, the icons in the status bar is by Soda. Freaking cool looking. A Tupac theme? But yeah, Orion. Amazing. Amazing tweak. One of the best. Alright, what else is cool that I could show you guys? I wish I could demo Maple, because it looks so cool. I wonder if, is there a test button? No. Well, you just have to wait for the video on it, I guess. Yeah, it's a good place to ask questions. I don't know, I feel like I've played with all the tweaks I have so much. Maybe we just go on the hunt for something new. Loop? Magnifying glass for text fields? What? Let's check this out. This is like an old iOS feature. Let's try it out, right? Chuck Rain, you only way on Windows is with a USB drive with Linux. There's no Windows support, unfortunately, at least not yet. Oh, look at that, the magnifying glass is back. Haha, that's cool, right? Huh. Neat. Loop? Is there settings for that tweak? There is. Okay, so you can change the offsetting. Trackpad mode, web view. That's cool. That's simple. Best CarPlay tweak? I don't know. I don't have CarPlay, unfortunately. Hopefully soon. My vehicle does not have CarPlay, unfortunately, but I plan on possibly upgrading soon, so that might be a thing. I wouldn't say wait 1 month for a jailbreak. There's no information to support your 1 month. You just have to wait for a jailbreak. It could be tomorrow, it could be 2 months, it could be 3 months, it could be 1 month, it could be 2 weeks, it could be a year. Nobody knows when a jailbreak is coming out. There is no 14.4.2 jailbreak without a computer. The only non-computer jailbreak that's available is for 14.0 through 14.3. What software does Torian support? Not sure what you mean by that, but iOS. Torian is an iOS 14 jailbreak. I'm gonna switch back to the vibrant theme. So that, oh, it didn't save the keyboard. Okay. That was weird that that keyboard was applied to a setup that I did not have it applied, or I didn't have it applied to. I'm assuming for that setup, I just had lattice enabled. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know. Correct, Ryan. There is no jailbreak for iPhone 12 on 14.4.2. I like Zebra the best. I did a full-on Zebra review and guide that I believe is over 20 minutes long because there's that many features. I just like the style. It's kind of like a modern Cydia, I guess. It's like a mixture between Cilio and Cydia. And that's why I like it. Plus, it's just fast. So I'll refresh my sources. That was pretty quick, and look how many sources I have. Try to do that in Cydia with that many repos. It's like 100 repos. Hey, thanks, dude. That is Jelly Lock Reborn. The finger lock. Jelly Lock.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn
Sonyfy? I don't have a Sony headset. Directly ported from Galaxy? Is this freaking twicked? Damn it. Do I think future Checkrain is going to make an A14 jailbreak? They will not. Checkrain will never be for newer iPhones. iPhone 10 and older only. It's a hardware-based jailbreak. Hello, Kimmy. Yeah, Checkrain is a hardware-based jailbreak, meaning the hardware The boot ROM in the older iPhones is what is vulnerable to the exploit it uses. So checkrain is iPhone 10 and older, only A11 chip and older. What do you have to do to re-jailbreak Taurine if your phone dies? Just go back into Taurine and click jailbreak. Is Taurine more reliable than Uncover? I think that Taurine and Uncover accomplish the same thing, and that is to jailbreak your iPhone. But the two jailbreaks have different under the hood stuff. So for the average jailbreaker, you probably won't notice a difference, I don't think, between the two jailbreaks. But like I said, I just prefer Taurine because of the underhood stuff. Zen HTML widget. IDM Uni AW8 mod. Here, let's put some. Whoops. We could do this one too. This one's cool. RIP battery. It'll look better with it below the other widget though. Do that. That'll look cool. There, now it's behind our icon grid. I want to listen to that Lost again. So we're on Crazy. How far down is that? I'm not sure. Let me see here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so 39. I just want to listen. This song is so fire. This one right here. This song is so good. I'll turn it up a little bit for you guys. Why you no work? Song is so good. All right. Well, 30. Perfect 10. What's the next one? All right. Let me erase my palette. Right. Let's erase the palette. So. Bam. Bam. I'll keep the UI and the status bar. I'll have to clear. Yo, kid. Thanks for the super chat, man. That's much appreciated. Thank you so much. Kid Cud's back. Big shout, dude. Thank you so much. Much appreciated, man. Reverted. Okay. Let's go in here. Alright, that looks goofy. With the two, like, finder icons next to each other. That looks really weird. Really weird. Oh, that reminded me, isn't there a newer version of App Color Close? This one? Let's try it. Hey, it works. App Color Close. Looks cool too. My icons are dancing to the music, guys. Jiggle mode. What's happening on Twitter? Twitter notifs are on, by the way. Twitter notifs. You know what jailbreak I want, though? This is the jailbreak I want. This jailbreak right here. The Manticore jailbreak. Yeah, this song's lit. Manticore jailbreak. And if you're wondering, Manticore will support iOS 14.0 through 14.3. So like Uncover and Taurine. And if you guys are wondering what Manticore is, basically, from what I understand and from what I've heard in the Discord, is it's a jailbreak that will give you the choice of which package manager you want to use, and that gives you the option of using the Cydia suite, like Cydia, Substitute, Elucubratus, or if you want to use the Taurine suite, so Taurine, like libhooker, Procursus, it'll give you the choice. So I'm excited for that. Hopefully they get it going here soon. Get it created, get it out there. I like tweaks that, jailbreaks that would give you the option of everything that's available. I think that is a cool idea. Very cool idea. So, I like this theme. It's simple. There's no Discord icon though. Oh, there is. It just looks exactly the same. Interesting. Should we download Sean's theme and make like a brown one? Let's see how many icons this has. Alright, what was that called? Umber? Cancel the respring temporarily while I clear that. Whoa. See, I don't know what to do with the missing icons, but it's a cool looking theme. How to remove labels in app library? I'm pretty sure just by removing the icon labels, it removes all labels. I don't remember what tweak I have doing it. There's like a lot of tweaks that do it. Orion does it, I'm sure. Springtomize 5 does it. I think Snowboard even does it. Like if you go to icon options, hide labels. There's a lot of tweaks that hide labels. Fine. I will be right back, guys. Bathroom break. All right. What should we do here now? Jesus. Jesus.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for
Here we go. That looks kind of good, right? Fine. Stock-ish. I don't know. I don't promote piracy. Don't pirate stuff, guys. You're stealing from somebody. How would you like it if someone came to your house and stole some of your stuff? I don't think you'd like it, right? What icons? This is, I think, fine. Yeah, theme is called fine. We put an AE on it, like a boss one. Right here. Looks a little weird with those icons. Try a different one. There we go, that's better, I think. Just because we can't make a payment doesn't give you permission to steal. That's like me going to the 7-Eleven and being like, well, I can't pay you, so I'm just going to take it. I want these chips. I don't have money, though, so I'm just going to take it, okay? Because I don't have money. I can't make the payment, so I'm just going to steal it from you. Now, think about this. If you pirate all your tweaks or in-app purchases, you're killing what you're stealing from. So if everyone were to just pirate tweaks, there wouldn't be tweaks, probably. Because who would want to make a tweak, spend hundreds of hours to just have it stolen from them? I know I wouldn't want to do that. It's the mentality of jailbreaking, though. Everyone gets in that mindset. They're like, ooh, I jailbroke my iPhone. I'm going to hack the planet now. I'm going to hack everything. I'm a hacker. I know how to jailbreak. I'm a big-time hacker now, so I can hack everything. Just the mindset that everyone gets into when they jailbreak their iPhone. But like I said, don't pirate. Like, if you really like a tweak, just spend the $2. $2. It's like a soda. Like $1, $2, maybe $3. Like seriously inexpensive. Same as for themes too. These, you know, they spend hundreds of hours working on this. And I've actually myself on my iPad been working on some icons, but if I finish it, I probably won't release it, and I'll just drive everyone nuts that can't have it. Because the reason I don't want to release it is because if I do, everyone's just gonna freaking steal it. So what's the point? So why not just keep it for myself and, you know, show people that they can't have it? Or if I do sell it, I would only sell it to some very close individuals or friends of mine, because I know they wouldn't, you know, pirate it or give it out for free. And that's kind of like what happened with that Vibrant theme that I was running most of the stream. He stepped away from his Twitter because he makes these icons. He spends all this time working on it, his personal time, like at night after work, sit down and create freaking awesome looking icons, and then, you know, sells it because people want them. But then there's the people out there that just freaking rip them off and make it available for free from everyone, and that just kills your motivation. At that point, you no longer want to even be involved with it. So like I said, if you pirate stuff, you're just killing the creators. That's all you're doing. So don't pirate. Like, if you guys want jailbreaking to continue and there to be tweaks and themes, like, you need to support the creators. That's all I can tell you. See what we can do with this tweak. Oh, it automatically removes Boxy. Ugh. That's frustrating. I don't like that. I mean, I'll check it out. I'll probably go back to Boxy. I just like Boxy the best. Just for testing purposes, let's check it out. Hey, thanks, thanks the boss. Okay. 3D touch an icon to access the tweak's functionalities. In order to switch between settings, tap on the big label at the top of the view. It will display the currently selected setting. Tap the icon while selecting the setting to toggle pre-page layout for current page. To edit values, use the slider or tap the label underneath and type a value. Some options are only available in the settings app. Okay. Oh wait, force touch. Edit welcome. So I guess that's pretty neat. But I'm assuming you can change what it says. You can. Cool, real-time changes. Rows. Okay. So that's all you can change is up and down. Enable app library. I don't get it. I'm not sure what it... How do I get to those settings? Edit layout. Is there a way to switch? I mean, I have rows. Where's... Oh, there you go. You click on it. Okay. Widget scale, icon scale. Top inset. There we go. I like it like that. There, how does that look? Pretty cool. I guess if you're blind, that would be nice, right? Oh, look at this. Okay. Where did the... But you can't change the dock though. Yeah, I mean, I guess it does a bunch of stuff for free. Like I said, I still like Boxy 4 better. I just like how I can move it around. Move it anywhere. Oh, 3D touch on the dock. Oh, gotcha. Okay. So dock has its own independent settings. I guess that's pretty neat. So you can squish in. Pretty cool. Yeah, minimalism. Just click, and hopefully you click on one. Like, can you even click on it when it's that tiny? Let's find out. Like, can you... I'm afraid to make it super minimum, because then, like, what if I can't force touch it to undo it? I mean, I guess I could just uninstall the Twitch, but let's make it, like, itty bitty, like that, right? Minimalism right there for you, right? Can you click? Oh, you can still click them. That's pretty funny. What do you think of my icons, guys? Aren't they cool looking? Pretty neat. I don't know. It's a cool tweak for free. I'm still a Boxy fan. Oh, savage. There, he's in timeout. Should be.
Yeah.
If you're gonna spam the chat, that's what's gonna happen.
Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's gotta make
Cool.
it. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody.
Now, what was I doing? Oh yeah, reinstalling Boxy. Side down. I can't remember what that tweak does, and I don't use Cydia, so. See, I just like being able to touch on my screen to do this. I don't know.
My life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you
Yo, what's up?
so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
Side down to get. Don't pirate stuff. That's what I think of piracy right there. But yeah, I need to get some videos recorded, I think, here. So I think I'll end the stream here since it's turning into people trying to talk about piracy so much. But I'll live stream again, of course. I have a lot of fun doing this, and yeah, we'll do more tweaks. I'll probably do another stream of stock iOS stuff. I haven't done one of those for a little while. Do some stock, no jailbreak customization stuff. It's always fun. But yeah, I need to hop off. I need to get some videos done. Get a backlog going for that. Do some tweak videos maybe. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed playing around with a bunch of different tweaks. And again, if you guys are curious about the wallpapers that were used, there's a link in the description for the wallpapers. At least a couple of them that I featured in this live stream. But I'm going to head out, guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you guys all in the next live stream. Later, dudes.